You guys already know some of these. Brachioradialis, we already know that one, right? We already know the extensor carpi radialis with the long tendon and the brevis below it, the extensor carpi radialis brevis. We already know those two. That's why they're written on the list the way they are, because you can actually see them on the flexor side. So we wrote them on the flexor side so students wouldn't get confused. You know, they would see that those are extensors that are visible on the top, right inside your arm as you bend it, because they are visible on the flexor side. This muscle here is the pronator teres, and that goes between extensors and flexors, okay? So a pronator is a totally different action. A pronator is for like cats to catch mice, this action, right? Let's slamp down. So it's a really good muscle in cats, and it goes halfway down the radius to the ulna side of the humerus. It twists big time, this muscle, okay? And only goes halfway down the arm. So if you get confused on which one it is, just look for the one that goes halfway down the arm, okay? And that one's between extensors on the inside of the arm side and flexors on the elbow side, okay? It's called the pronator teres. And then all you have to do is learn 3 flexors, okay? There's a whole bunch. If you want to learn every one attached to every finger, you can, but I'm not going to test you on it. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of deep ones under these. You're just looking for the one with the long tendon right next to the pronator teres. It's a flexor carpi radialis. The one that's really flat in the middle, that is a palmaris longus. The one that is attached to a skinny tendon on the side, that is the flexor carpi ulnaris. See this long skinny tendon? The muscle kind of stops, and there's this skinny tendon right here, little teeny tendon. That's the one that's broken on that table. Anyway, there's a whole bunch of flexor digitorums underneath. They're deep. They're profound. We don't learn them in this class. We learn them in Anatomy 35. So if you really want to learn more of the forearm, you got to take 35. Okay? Because I'm not going to teach it to you. I know it, but I'm not going to teach it to you. Okay? So you have to learn this side. 3 flexors, flexor carpi ulnaris, elbow side. Palmaris longus, flat to the palm of the hand. Flexor carpi radialis, radius side. And then the pronator teres, and then your 2 extensors, extensor carpi radialis, longus long tendon, and brevis. And then that brachioradialis, just don't let it get you confused, because it's not part of this test. Okay, that's it. All right, so work on that group. We're not done for the day, we're done with the forearm. We still have more to go.
Was that everything that was on the list, Professor?
You've done everything that's on the forearm part of the list.
Is this everything that...
Oh, we have to do the biceps and the epitrochlear.